So, you're telling me that you want to be cool?
Well, yeah, dude, I just kind of wanna.
Wait, then you gotta do something cool.
Like what?
Alright, it's time for your first test.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Well,
You have to sit on the senior bench.
No, I don't know. If senior
Do
saw
you
me...
want to be cool?
come on, Ricky. You wanna be cool, don't you?
Okay, now or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, now.
I did it, guys. I did it.
It's okay right now. Yeah. I guess so.
Alright.
Yeah. That was pretty
That
good.
was alright.
Did it, didn't I?
Yeah. But now you have another test.
I thought one was enough.
Let's
Just
go.
wait, Ricky. Do it.
It's weird.
Come on, cool guy.
It's your time. Just do it.
All right, out of here.
Oh, I didn't... They told me...
Now. Now.
Thanks a lot, guys.
You're almost there. Come on, Rick.
Yeah.
You guys sent me here.
Come on. It's time for your final test.
I'm not doing anything anymore.
It's time.
Look where I ended up, guys.
One more test.
Just
One
walk
more,
out.
And
You're not gonna be in
officially,
trouble.
you'll be officially cool.
If you promise I'll be cool, I'll do it.
Let's go.
You guys, I don't think this is a good idea.
Come on, Ricky.
Here it is.
Do it. Me and Jordan did it yesterday. Just do it. You want to be cool or what?
You know you want to.
Okay, if you guys promise.
Good job.
You guys! Oh, no. They made me. I did.
They made you.
Well, they said